Standard 2nd, English, chapter number 11, One Sunday. Continue from textbook exercise, page number 111. Listen. Listen to the clues and fill in the blanks. Listen textbook on page number 136. Okay. So I have written here answer. So first answer will come BEEB. OWL, owl. BUTTER, butter. FAN, fan. MOON, moon. LIGHT, light. Here right now you cannot listen anything, so I am just giving you answers, so you have to fill this in your book. Now speak aloud. RR is given, so from RR whatever word is making, that you have to speak. For example, here it is given PARROT, parrot. PARROT, parrot. So we have used here 2 times RR, right? So in the same way all the words has repeating R 2 times. See here, CARROT, carrot. CARROT, carrot. MERRY, Mary. MERRY, Mary. CHERRY, cherry. CHERRY, cherry. Here double L it is there, so all words you will see that it ends with double L, right? So FELL, fell. FELL, fell. WELL, well. WELL, well. TALL, tall. TALL, tall. BALL, ball. BALL, ball. Now grammar, simple past tense. Read the sentences. The boys played in the sun. The girls danced well. When we talk about things that happened sometimes ago, past events means sometimes ago means it is a past event. We add D or ED at the end of the verb. Exercise is given. Use words given in the box to fill in the blanks. Here some answer is given, means bracket is given. So from that we have to find the answer and we have to fill all these blanks. So the monkeys climbed the tree. Who is climbing? Only monkey. So you can see climb is spelling is given here. So you have to write it from here. CLIMBED, climb. So in the first blank will come climb. She opened the door for the visitor. Open. So answer will, here it is there, OPENED, open. So in second blank you have to write open. The dog barked loudly. So who is barking? Dog. So the dog barks. BARKED, bark. It is here. She smiled at her friend. So smile spelling is given, SMILED, smiled. My mother baked a cake for my birthday. So it is baked, BAKED, baked. So all answer you will get from these brackets. So write it as I have written. Today's Sunday, match correctly and find out what these people did on Saturday. So today is Sunday, but what they have done yesterday. Yesterday means Saturday, right? So Amit played football. What Amit had done on Saturday? Amit played football. Bunny jumped in the garden. Here we are talking about Saturday, okay? So on Saturday what they have done, that we are getting here. Grandfather visited his friend. Mother baked a cake. So here this completed. Now complete the answers from the given question. Example, did Sony dance well? Yes, Sony danced well. So now you have to complete the sentence, right? But you have to complete that in the past tense. Did Shalu welcome the guests? Yes, Shalu welcomed the guest. So here E after just they have add D. So welcome the guest. Did he pep into the room? Yes, he pepped into the room. What did Tom paint? Tom painted a part of the fence. So here paint is there, so afterwards we have add ED. Here pep it is there, at that after that also we have add ED. Fine. Number 4. When did you complete your work? So I completed my work yesterday. So here we are talking about yesterday means, for example, today is, example right now I have given that today is Sunday, then yesterday was Saturday. So I completed my work yesterday, and here complete is there, so afterwards we have added D here, okay? Now exercise D. Sometimes when we talk about past events, the verb changes. Example, eat becomes ate. Fill in the blanks correctly with the verbs given in the box. went, wrote, kept, made and drew. It is given in the bracket. Example, I am writing a poem today. So I wrote a story yesterday. We are talking about this today, and when we are talking about yesterday, that time we will write wrote, and we are talking about today, then we will write ing. Okay, writing. Okay, now I am begin with first number. I am drawing a tree today. So we are talking about today, right? So what we will do? My brother drew a flower yesterday. We are talking about yesterday, so drawing will convert into drew. I am not going to school today. So going will convert into went. So I went to school yesterday. I am keeping my books in the bag today. So yesterday I kept my pencil in the bag. Today Radha is making tea. Yesterday Dev made tea. So making will convert into made when we are using yesterday, means already that work has been done or past. Choose the correct words to complete the sentences. It is exercise E. 1 number. He picked up, lifted up or the brush and started painting. So what it will come? Picked up. Okay. Number 2. Tom saw or looked at the fence sadly. So Tom looked at the fence sadly. Ben said or asked Tom if he could paint the fence. So Ben asked Tom if he could paint the fence. So wherever I have done tick mark, that you have to do tick mark. Tom sat in the shade and ate the apple. So answer will come at. Aunt Polly took or gave Tom a reward. Gave. Okay. She had given. So right now if we will speak, then we will speak gave. Learn new words. In the box given below, look for words that sound the same as those in the book. So if it same words we have to find. Same means it looks similar, right? For example, scent it is given. So we have to find scent. See, if you will pronounce, then it will become same. SENT scent and SENT scent. Then MEAT meat and MEET meat. KNIGHT night and night, and here also NIGHT night. DEAR deer and DEER deer. Fine. BLUE blue and BLEW blue. Spelling is different, but while you pronounce at that time, it sounds similar, right? Then SCAC, SEEC. BY by, BUY by. TO2, TWO2. So as I have done circle, in the same way you have to do circle. Now match the opposite. Hard, soft. Low, high. Float, sink. Dirty, clean. Few, many. So up to here we have completed, and now our chapter ends.